Today we're talking about Neofetch, which is a cool little utility that, well, let me show you. So I'm going to log into a server here where I've already set it up. So what Neofetch does is it creates this cool little Raspberry animation, not animation, picture, and some information on the Raspberry Pi. And this actually works in a lot, most, if not all, Linux distros. So anyways, let's go to a different Raspberry Pi and we'll set this up. So it's pretty simple. You just log into your Raspberry Pi. You'll need to install Neofetch. If you haven't done an update, an apt update in a while, you'll need to do that. But in this case, we're just going to go ahead and go with it because I know that I ran an update earlier today. All right, after it's installed, we can test it. So we can just type Neofetch and make sure it works. Yep, so it looks like it's working. So now I'm just going to do a quick which Neofetch. This way I get the full path to that program. Looks like it's in user bin. So let's copy it. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this in our bash RC. And we're going to go to the very bottom. We'll do an insert. And we'll paste it right here. Paste it, there we go. And do a right click, quit. Let's go ahead and log out of this server and then back in, and boom, that's it. Now we have Neofetch installed, and now every time we log in, we'll see this cool little animation. Yeah, you can see like this, this is an interesting statistic over this one, right? So anyways, thanks for watching, bye.